In this video, we are going to see that if we want to use a blind carbon copy, how does it work in Microsoft Outlook? Because whenever we open any new email, we don't see the blind carbon copy. So I'll just tell you what it is and how you can enable that. Now, basically, blind carbon copy is used whenever you want to send a copy of your email to a specific person without any of the participant knowing it. So for example, the main person is to wherever you are sending the email to, and CC is the carbon copy. For example, you want to take your manager in the loop, so it is CC, but whoever it is sent to, he can easily see whatever copy is sent to the other person. But the blind carbon copy is, let's say that you want to notify about that particular issue to your company's owner as well. So you just click on the blind carbon copy so that they can privately get notified about that without both of them knowing. So that is the main purpose of it. Now the problem is how we can enable that blind carbon copy. It's very simple to do. Just click on the options and you can include the BCC from here. Just click here and you will get the special tab. So let's say that I have sent it to this person, copies to this person, but I have secretly kept the company's owner in the loop. And let's write test email, click on send. You can also mention the description if you want to, it's not compulsory. Click on send and receive folders. Let's wait for a while. And there we have received this. Now, because we have sent it to ourselves, we can see this blind carbon copy, but otherwise the other persons should be able to see only to and CC. So that's how you can secretly add an other person in the loop, especially if you don't want the other staff members to know about this. This is blind carbon copy and that's how it is used. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.